Planning a getaway? Explore these top-rated day trips near Lyon, featuring breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and outdoor adventures for all.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Commencement of your guided tour. Commence with a comprehensive 15-minute training session aimed at ensuring safe utilization of your electric bicycle. Subsequently, embark upon an exhilarating journey through the heart of Lyon, where you will traverse two quintessential hills, Fourvière and Croix-Roussel. On a 4-hour guided tour of Lyon, visitors can indulge in an exquisite culinary experience alongside a knowledgeable local guide. This engaging excursion offers a comprehensive exploration of the city's oldest district, where one can discover hidden gems, such as the secret traboules utilized by silk merchants and weavers in earlier eras. Embark on an enchanting culinary journey aboard the Hermès restaurant boat, where a 2.5-hour cruise transports you away from the bustling urban landscape of Lyon. Immerse yourself in a meticulously crafted 3-course gourmet feast, each dish a testament to the finest culinary tradition. Pre-book your entry ticket to Musée des Confluences for an immersive experience, exploring the extraordinary architecture and captivating exhibits of this leading-edge institution. Situated as a beacon of innovation in Lyon, this showcase combines modern aesthetics with deep-seated curiosity about both nature and society. Lyon offers visitors a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in its rich musical heritage, offering insights into the city's diverse musical scenes and storied history. By exploring the historic districts of Presqu'île and the slopes of Croix-Roussel, one can gain an understanding of how various musical genres have shaped the cultural landscape over time. Upon embarking on this guided tour within the electric pedicab, one immerses themselves in the rich tapestry of Lyon's past, exploring its historical significance from Roman origins through the Renaissance era. This journey takes one beyond the traditional confines of the city center, offering a unique perspective on Lyon's architectural heritage. Lyon is a remarkably historically endowed metropolis where one can traverse the grand districts of Old Lyon via its labyrinthine streets, ecclesiastical structures, and subterranean passageways known as traboules. A seasoned guide here offers insights into intriguing facts and hidden gems.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.